Here's how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. Now, if you get this error and you're not necessarily sure how to fix it, I'll walk you through the steps. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Facebook app here, or you can go to facebook.com if you're on a computer. And we need to navigate to your Facebook dating. So tap on the profile button at the very bottom right. And then we'll just scroll down and we might have to see more, but let's go into dating here. Now, if you go to someone's profile or match with someone, but it says a location mismatch, you need to adjust your location preferences. You can do that by tapping on the profile at the top right. And now on here, you can see dating preferences. So let's tap on dating preferences. And you can see dating location. I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina, so tap on that and make sure that is set to the location that you currently are in. You might need to tap on that little arrow with the circle to refresh your dating location. And you can always hit add new locations that are associated with people that you wanted to find or date. So you can say if you're talking to someone in New York, you can always tap on that and add New York or any other city. Now, the next thing you're going to do is go back here, tap the back arrow, and then you're going to tap on distance from you. Tap on that, and you're going to choose the specific distance. Now, if it's only set to within a few different miles, maybe 50 miles, you want to switch this all the way up to 240 plus miles. And essentially, this allows you for a location wherever you want in the United States or whatever country you're in. Now, after you've done that, let's go back out of here, and that should fix it. You might need to close out of the app and open it up again. But if that doesn't work, let's just head into the settings here. So tap on settings on your phone or computer, and we'll scroll down until we get to apps at the very bottom. And then we'll scroll down until we get to Facebook. Tap on Facebook here, and then tap on location. Now, all we're going to do is toggle this off to disable access to the location, and then we'll just reinitiate it by turning it on and turning on precise location. By doing this, we'll refresh everything. We can just open up the Facebook app again, tap on the profile, and go into your dating profile, and you should be good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.